This is how to find the phone carrier lock status on any iPhone. Pop into the settings, scroll down until you get to General, then go to About, scroll all the way down till you get to IMEI. This 15-digit number here we have to put into a website, which then checks the database to see if there's a carrier lock on the phone. So tap and hold on this number to copy it. Tap on Copy. Now go to Safari or whichever browser you're using these days. Tap in the search bar and type in IMEI check. I use IMEIcheck.com, which in my case is the first one. Might not be the first for you. The other ones say they're free, like this one, for example, they give you a little bit of info for free, and then they charge you for the real info, including whether the phone is locked to a carrier. This one gives you that data for free, at least it does as of this recording. So tap on it to open it. It is ad supported, so I'm going to have to collapse a bunch of ads. Ignore this search bar at the top, that's not the one we want. It's also an ad, by the way. The search bar I want is right down here. Tap into that search field, paste in the number. It took out the last two because only 15 characters are allowed to be entered into this field. And so we have to go and get those in just a second. But first we have to remove 2 spaces. At least for my number. There's a space right here. Your number might have more spaces, maybe less, I'm not sure. Space right there. And then we go back to the beginning and we type in the 2 missing numbers, which in my case are 6 and 7. If this was a year ago, saying 6, 7 would be dangerous in my household. Oh, that's 6, 6. Let's go 6, 7. All right, once that's done, tap on Check IMEI, and in a few seconds, usually under 30, you're going to know whether this phone is locked to a carrier. Right here you can see that the SIM lock is labeled as unlocked, which means this phone is not locked to a carrier, and you can take this phone to any carrier you want, sign up for a cell phone plan, and then begin using it as you see fit. This video right here shows you how to remove ads on your phone. For example, all the ads on the site, they could all be removed. You wouldn't have to worry about them. This video shows you how. So check that out next. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.